welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's video we will be talking about the topic of the Z-More Tunnel. So Z-More Tunnel can be considered a engineering marvel and also a solution to the connectivity problem of the Kashmir and Ladakh. So this all-weather connectivity, which was the most or you can say the biggest problem of the Kashmir or the Ladakh region, has now been solved by the construction of the Z-More Tunnel, and the inauguration of the tunnel has been done by the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi. So let us first of all look at the points of discussion. First we will be looking at the news, then about the Z-More Tunnel, why is it considered to be strategic important, then with regard to tourism and trade its importance, and then in the end a prelims MCQ. Topic is of relevance from General Studies Paper 1, that is Geography, and also Paper 3, that is Economy, Internal Security and Infrastructure. So the news talks about how the Z-More Tunnel will be a strategic and vital link between Kashmir and Ladakh. Now first of all, Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes has now been shifted to Noida, and the offline batches for IAS-GS foundation course covering both prelims and mains in English medium, the admissions are already open, and the new batch is starting in Karol Bagh from 28th of January, and admissions are open in Noida, and in Noida the Hindi medium batch is starting from 16th of January. If you have any query, give us a call at 87501 87501. So the news talks about that the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, has inaugurated the Z-More Tunnel, and the aim of the Z-More Tunnel is improving the all-weather connectivity between Ladakh and Kashmir, which is one of the biggest problem faced by the armed forces or the defense of India till now. And the aim of this tunnel is also to transform connectivity in the region, and the rugged terrain of the Kashmir has made this tunnel are engineering marvel, because construction at such a height, more than 8,500 meters of height, this tunnel is a engineering marvel. And if we look at the map of Kashmir and Ladakh, then the location of Z-More Tunnel is, this is the location of Z-More Tunnel in the map. Now about the Z-More Tunnel, it is 6.5 kilometers long, and it connects the Srinagar to the Ladakh region, and this tunnel is also known as the Sonmarg Tunnel. Then this promises year-round access to one of the most sought-after tourist destination, and that is Sonmarg along the Srinagar-Leh highway, and it is considered it is constructed at an altitude of around 8,652 feet, and the road leading to Sonmarg remains impassable for most of the season because of the snow or the difficult terrain. But with the construction of the Z-More Tunnel, this year-round connectivity problem will be solved now. And the cost for the construction of Z-More Tunnel is more than 2,700 crore. Now if you will look at the map, then this is how the Z-More Tunnel starting or the front looks like. So this is the Z-More Tunnel picture. Now coming to the map, that how the connectivity problem will be solved because of the construction of the Z-More is, now this is the map of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. So if we will zoom out on the map to the area where the Z-More Tunnel is constructed, then if you will look at the map, then because the shape of the tunnel is in the shape of Z, it is also known as the Z-More Tunnel. So this is the location. If the tunnel will not be made, then this is how a person will have to move from one place to another, that is from Srinagar to the Sonmarg region. But with the construction of the Z-More Tunnel, the cost effectiveness and also the time effectiveness will be done. Now if we will look at the map, then from Srinagar we will reach to the area of Ganderbal, then from there we will reach the area of the Z-More Tunnel, then we will reach the area of the Zojila Tunnel, and then to the area of Dras, and then to Kargil. So you can also say, or in other terms you can also say, that the Z-More Tunnel construction will also make easier reaching the Kargil or the Dras region. Now it will also connect to the Zojila tunnel. Zojila tunnel is under construction, and after it will be constructed, it will be considered the biggest bi-directional tunnel in the Asia. Now about the strategic importance of the Z-More tunnel. So it is a crucial part of the broader Zojila tunnel project. It will lead to the Zojila tunnel project, and the aim of the Zojila tunnel project is to establish uninterrupted connectivity between Srinagar and Ladakh. Uninterrupted connectivity means that the connectivity must not be dependent on the weather or the climate, and must not be seasonal. It should be 12 months a year. Then the Zojila tunnel is under construction, and it is being constructed at an altitude of around 12,000 feet, much above the height of the Z-More tunnel, because the Z-More tunnel height is 8,600 plus feet, and this will connect Sonmarg with Dras in Ladakh. And it will also provide all-weather access to Ladakh's strategic border regions, including Kargil and Leh. Now this is also important with keeping in mind the relationship India is sharing as of now with two of its neighbors, that is Pakistan and China, and specifically keeping in mind the Chinese factor, and in the recent past the activities which has been taking place between India and Pakistan. And connectivity is vital for India's defense posture in the region also, because when the connectivity is not 12 months a year, then the defense forces or the armed forces reaching the location of the Ladakh becomes very, very difficult, and also additional burden is put on the Air Force to always, because at the time when the roads infrastructure is not working, then everything is dependent on the Air Force, be it supply of arms, ammunition, soldiers, food, etc. Now Ladakh shares long and continuous borders with both Pakistan and China, and this will witness increased military activity since the 2020 standoff between Indian and Chinese troops in eastern Ladakh. Now the construction of the Z-More tunnel will greatly reduce the reliance on air transport for moving military personnel, equipment, supplies to the forward areas near these borders. And the Indian Army as of now heavily relies on the Air Force, and if the reliance on the Air Force will be reduced, then the Air Force will also get additional time, and their equipments will also be saved so that they can use it in other points. Then the cost effective and efficient transportation of troops and resources can be done with regard to the road infrastructure being all year accessible. This will extend the life of military aircraft, because as of now the aircraft is continuously operational in the region of Kashmir or Ladakh. Then Indian military will be able to respond more swiftly and with greater logistical support, because through the road transport the army or the defense or the armed forces will be able to take much more equipments that they want to take, and as of now the seasonal connectivity is a barrier in their activities. Now let us talk with regard to tourism and trade. So the construction of the Z-More tunnel will bring significant economic benefits to the region. Now economic benefits with regard to that, the tourism sector will improve, and the tourism sector will bring more and more people into the region, which will improve the economic cycle of that region, and people will start to get economic benefits, and the employment scenario will also increase, and in future this might lead to better investment opportunities in the region. So this will bring significant economic benefits to the region, and tourism, which is one of the main drivers of the local economy in Sonmarg, will also increase, and it, instead of becoming it seasonal, or instead of being restricted to seasonal tourism, it will increase to the all year round tourism. Now the tunnel's ability to keep the resort town accessible year round will help revive the business which was halted after the 2019 or 2020. Now improve trade and transportation between Kashmir and Ladakh, and this will reduce the travel time and will improve the road safety. Now more investment will flow into the region, boosting local economies and improving the quality of life for residents. Now this is with regard to the tourism and trade. And now in the end, a prelims MCQ, as the PYQ have always been very important, and it gives us the insight that what the examination or what kind of question can be asked in the examination is what we always need to keep a check on. And if you will remember that when the Atal Tunnel was inaugurated, almost every one-day examination talked about that what is the length of the Atal Tunnel. And so this tells us that yes, question can be asked in this regard also, and this aspect of a particular topic can be asked. So on the same lines, now you people will have to give me the answer in the comment section of this practice question. So the question says, what is the length of the Z-More Tunnel? Is it 6.5 kilometers, 7.5 kilometers, 6 kilometers or 6.25 kilometers? Easy one. So give me the answer. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time. Keep reading, keep writing and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.